Hey everyone, welcome to our new episode of User Version plugin. In this episode, I will show you how to protect WordPress site from spam email address like this type of email address. And we call this type of email address dotted email. This type of email address can be used for get access your website like blog, post comment, or generate fake orders. So definitely this type of email address is not valid and used for temporary and used for randomly to get access to your website. So in this episode I will show you how to protect this type of email address to get access to your website. To protect spam email like this, you need to install the User Version plugin. Once you are on the WordPress dashboard, at plugin menu, search for the User Version and you will see the plugin User Version by Pick Plugins. So you need to install and activate. So we did this, and once we activate the plugin, you will see the plugin menu, the User Version. This is a beautiful plugin to protect spam in many ways, like OTP login, login attempt, spam protection, email verification. So we are not discussing any other features, but we are focused on the email variations. So you will see the single variation test and settings. So you need to get an API keys by spammy. So simply click the link, you will go to the site .spammy. Simply with your email address, get an account. So once you get an account, please log in and under the API keys, let's try create an API keys. So give a title for the API key and hit submit. And you will see the API created. So copy the API key and back to the User Version email variation menu and the settings. Paste the API key and save the settings. So once you are done with the API keys, you can now validate the email address with the test menu or test tab like this. And you see this email domain is disposable and you see the response from our server. So let's try this type of dotted email like this. Let's try to validate email and you see the response from our server dotted email invalid and syntax is not valid. So back to the settings, and so once you are tested your invalid email types and confirmation the server response, you can now validate emails on the register and validate emails on login and validate emails on post comment. So set to yes, so you can enable validate email on register, login and post comment and set the setting. So let's try login with and let's try create an user account with this type of email address. Go to the register page and let's try put this email address and let's try click register button, and you see it's taking time and you see the error message from after validating the email address. Sorry, your email address is not valid. This is a beautiful way to show warning for this type of email spammer. So they will get frustrated and will be not back to register using this type of email address. And this is the beautiful way to show a warning for the spammer. So this is beautiful working, and once your spammer user tried, you will see all log under the app.spammy. And so we are using different API keys, but let's try with the new API keys and delete this one and create new one. And let's copy the API key and use this new API key and back to the user registration, and let's try to the register and you see the same error message, and back to our server and you see the record. This email address is used for your registration and you see the all status. So this is the beautiful way and easy to manage this type of spammer. So I hope this is useful and you will love this. So thank you so much.